We do have some customers that they know when they run a pressure decay test that there is some small amount of leak, and they need to have a way to bracket that to say too much leak is bad, not enough leak is bad, we want just the right amount. So we have a feature we call the increased test limit that is the upper test limit that allows us to bracket pressure decay. 99.9% of our customers are simply going to use the pressure decay value, the single line in the sand, that if you cross that line, it's considered a failure. But we now have controls available there for you to put a secondary set of limits. As well as, you'll see a volume valve here. What we can do is we can take the amount of decay and we can convert that into a volumetric leak rate for you. Some customers will have a leak rate specification that they're shooting for. So what we can do is if you enter the volume of your product and any extra tubing or tooling volume that happens to be in there, we at the end of the test, as an added value, we will give you the leak rate in terms of a cc per minute leak rate. It still will pass-fail based on the pressure decay, but at least you'll know that you're in the same range where you need to be looking for a volumetric leak rate. To change the type of test, you can see up in the upper right-hand corner, it's a pull-down menu. Only the test types that are supported by the pneumatics you have in your machine will show up. You can select between any one of those, and now it changes the screen to give you the appropriate limits and timers that are needed for that test.